How to report Reddit post or comment. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can do that. So it was very easy. For that we will simply go to Reddit. Once you open Reddit, here you guys will see that type of interface. So for example, I want to report like any post. For example, I want to report that post. So I will simply click on that post. Once I click on this post, here you guys will see on top right corner three dots. Also on downside you guys will see share, but I will simply click on these three dots. Once I click on these three dots, here you guys will see report. So simply click on report. Once I click on report, here you guys can write your issue, and after that you guys can submit, and once you submit, that post will be reported. Now the question is how I can report any comments. For that, you guys can see here a lot of comments on that post. So for example, I want to report that comment. So here you guys can see three dots with that top first comment. So I'll simply click on that three dots. Once I click on that three dots, here you guys will see share is a post, but you'll simply scroll. Now here you guys can see report. So simply click on report. Once I click on the report, here you guys can select the reason, and after that you guys can submit. So that's how you guys can report on comment and post in Reddit. Thanks for watching.